for you guys. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to do this cylinder because you'll be able to see the lobes. All right, so intake valves are opening, so obviously, you know, but all right, so you can see these lobes right here. They're up. That means exhaust valves are shut. Pushing air out. Exhaust valves are still shut. Sucking air in. Yep. Every cylinder is like that. Still sucking in air. Now the exhaust valves are going to open. So that's normal. Intake, opening. Intake shut. Exhaust closed.